Kublai try can ride, milong ublay bakraw.
A very good morning, a warm welcome to each one of you to this 11th graduation day of tailoring and dress designing, beauty culture and computer literacy.
Tomorrow, someone asks you, from where have you graduated? Who taught you? Who were the pillars of your strength? Since it's bird, the eagle, who has taken care and it will always show you to fly high.
What are the current problems regarding the earth?
The current problems regarding the earth are pollution of soil, air and water. The soil, air and water are polluted.
There is a share of society into my earned money. And always there is a share of society in my earned money. If you give it to society, you can enjoy your share.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement. But your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go. When the roof was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show. And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love without ever letting you know. Rufus boy.
My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big and so strong and so mighty. There's nothing my God cannot do.
I just completed my skill training graduation on 20th August 2023. Hi girls, I came to bird 2 months back and saw you all so dull and not so lively. But today, I see you all so bright and confident. What's made the difference?
I am so glad I came here. The Bethany sisters are just wonderful, loving and caring. They accompany us everywhere. We are loved and cared for. working in my life to earn my livelihood. Look at the dresses we have designed.
Not only this, we also learn to love nature by looking after the vegetables and flower garden.
For this beautiful day, for blessing bird and all went well because of his kindness and mercy towards us.